Why is holding in a cough in a silent classroom actually lethal? The room is dead silent. The teacher is whispering, and suddenly, my throat chooses violence. It starts tickling. I'm chugging water, I'm swallowing tears, but the cough is fighting back. My face is turning purple. I'm vibrating like a broken Xbox controller. I'm literally praying for a loud noise so I can mask it. If I cough now, I disturb the peace. If I don't, I explode. It's a lose-lose situation. So I finally let out a tiny cough, and it sounds like a dying seal barking. The whole class turns around and stares into my soul. I am deceased. Subscribe if you've ever embarrassed yourself in public.